Mortgage. It's a very sensitive question. Somebody said, is my siyam okay because I have mortgage? You know, this is a very difficult question because interest, dealing in riba usually, is a war. فَأْذَنُوا بِحَرْبٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ. So, mashallah, this question shows that we have Muslim brothers who care for what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would see about our deeds. That's a great sign of iman. You know what I mean? I don't want to be among the no, brother, it's okay, mortgage is fine, great, don't worry. No. Alhamdulillah. You know, I will tell you my own example. I told my sheikh, sheikh, I have credit card, but I pay on time. So it's halal for me, right? He said, Taqillah, fear Allah. One, you are dealing in riba economy. You're helping the riba banking system. You are agreeing that if I didn't pay on time, I will pay interest. So you are part of a riba economy, riba system that Prophet liberated the world from. Did you know that? Prophet liberated the world from riba economy. These bankers, the bankers were there too, including his own family. They were the money lenders. He said, today I cancel all riba, even my families. And Abbas was looking at him like, what? He said, yes, my own family also. Don't pay him any mortgage, any interest. Give him only the premium. But sadly, we are stuck in this situation here where there are brothers who have 3 or 4 children. If they get a house or an apartment on rent, they will be paying more rent than the mortgage. If that is the condition, scholars say this is idtirar. فَمَنِ اضْطُرَّ غَيْرَ بَاغٍ وَلَا عَادٍ فَلَا إِثْمَ عَلَيْهِ. Your intention is not to take or give riba. Your intention is to hide your satar, hide your awra, be in a respectful place, not in a mansion or palace. You see what I'm saying? To fulfill your necessity only. They will say it's okay. I'm quoting their fatwa. I don't want to be in this fatwa zone. I would rather choose, like some of your people in the community have tried to live riba free. It's hard, but it's okay. So I would do, I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive us if we have made any shortcomings. It's not just a mortgage. That's why I gave you my example of us, dealing with credit cards. Most of the scholars, 99% of the scholars of Islam from the traditional scholarship, all of them, you name any famous scholar today, they will tell you use debit card, do not use credit card. It's different. Try your best as much you can avoid. I know sometimes you can't, they used to do it actually, the rent-a-car, they wouldn't give you car unless you have a credit card, but actually now they've changed it. They said even if a debit card, or even if you pay cash, we'll give it to you. See, riba economy cannot function. The system is built on exploiting people. They exploit people. So now they realize it. That's why interest rates have gone really so low, like 1%, 1.5%. They realize it. People can't afford it. So do as much you can and always ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, look, we all are sinners, we all make mistakes. Allah, forgive my mistakes. And give me an outlet. Let me live riba free. I'll tell you a sign of the day of the judgment is that one of the scholars said that the riba will affect every individual. You and I, everyone will be affected by interest. That is where we are at. Our money that's in the banks, that is being used by the banks for buying homes and giving and taking interest. You know what I mean? Everybody's affected. But inshallah, wherever we don't make a choice, conscious choice, by our own hands, by our own decisions, inshallah, we're fine. Because وَلَا تَزِرُ وَازِرَةٌ وِزْرَ أُخْرَى وَلَا يُكَلِّفُ اللَّهُ نَفْسًا إِلَّا وُسْعَهَا. Alhamdulillah. لَهَا مَا كَسَبَتْ وَعَلَيْهَا مَا اكْتَسَبَتْ. May Allah make it easy for us. So do your best, inshallah, to get out of it as soon as possible.